I ended up staying up all night and talking to Stody right now. It's light out now. Buckland's gonna show up in like 4 hours or so. I'm not gonna get any sleep. God damn. Maybe a little bit. Charging up the wheel. Just hanging out with Bogdan. This other guy was fixing his bike. He was here yesterday as well. I've been working on the electrical project, but it's giving me some issues right now. I can't get the fans to work, but I got the rest of it to work so far, except this one flashes on and off even when I have the ideal diodes. It shouldn't be able to receive a charge. I'm not exactly sure what the hell's going on here. Yeah, anyways, I hear some music in the background. Let's go smoke a cigarette and not think about that. See what this is all about. Another great use for titanium plates. I just replated my leftovers from this thing, which is not supposed to be heated up to 200 degrees, over to this thing, which can be heated to probably more than 1,000 degrees without issue. Oh, wait a second. Put a little hair there. What am I doing? Okay, there we go. Let's get this rolling. 200 for 30 minutes and boom. There we go. And of course I'm just drinking this stuff, making it for everyone. Så jeg kan se den, hvad jeg har lavet her.
Kan du ikke prøve, hvis du finder en et eller andet sted, klip den der i?
Altså hvis vi finder en ny en af den her, jo, så kan vi bare klippe den her af og sætte en ny frisk en på. Det er bare midlertidigt.
Ja, det er bare... Jeg tænker, hvis du siger et eller andet sted som cykel.
Ja.
Så jeg tænker bare, hvis du finder sådan en,
jo,
så kan du...
I'm just chilling, man. I spent all day working on the electrical project and fixing one of the members' e-bikes, Shamit's son's e-bike. Be myself. God, I'm just listening to these guys on repeat, man. I am in love with the parcels. Back on the beach. Super windy today, super cold. So nice to set up the tent with this light on the helmet. I'm gonna get through it, guys. Got my poles down here. Here we go, guys. Tent all set up. I cannot wait for my new tent, guys. It's gonna be so much nicer. So much more space. So much lighter. But I will kind of miss waking up and unzipping this thing. I don't know. That's how the journey started, you know?